acibenzolar-s-methyl belongs to the benzothioadiazole class of chemicals and is classified as a preventative fungicide. In addition to its fungicidal properties, it also exhibits activity against certain bacteria, viruses, and even some insects, making it a versatile tool in integrated pest management, IPM. Uses acibenzolar-s-methyl is used across a variety of crops to control a broad spectrum of pathogens, including fungi, bacteria, and viruses. It is commonly applied in vegetables, such as tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers, to protect against diseases like bacterial speck, downy mildew, and powdery mildew. Fruits, including grapes and apples, where it helps manage diseases like powdery mildew, fire blight, and other fungal and bacterial infections. Field crops, such as rice, where it provides protection against diseases like rice, blast, and other fungal pathogens. Mode of action: acibenzolar-s-methyl acts primarily as a plant activator, inducing systemic acquired resistance, SAR, in treated plants. This process enhances the plant's natural defenses against a wide range of pathogens. By triggering the plant's immune response, it increases the production of defense-related proteins and compounds that inhibit the growth of fungi, bacteria, and viruses. Additionally, its activity against certain insect pests adds an extra layer of protection. Formulations: acibenzolar-s-methyl is typically available in formulations such as water dispersible granules, WDG, or soluble concentrates, intended for foliar applications or seed treatments. Dosage: the application rate of acibenzolar-s-methyl varies based on the crop and target pathogen. Vegetables: 25 to 50 grams of active ingredient per hectare, applied at regular intervals during the growing season. Fruits: 30 to 50 grams per hectare, with application starting early in the growing season and repeated as necessary. Field crops: 25 to 50 grams per hectare, depending on disease threat and crop stage. It is crucial to adhere to the manufacturer's label for specific application rates, timing, and safety guidelines, and to comply with local regulations. Thank you for watching our video on pesticide info. Remember, when using pesticides, it's crucial to follow the recommended dosage and guidelines provided by the manufacturer. Always read the label carefully and use the product as directed to ensure effective and safe pest control. Always wear protective gear, stay safe, and protect your crops responsibly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below.